Jokindongo Supreme Court Judge, concurring. Each party shall bear their own cost, this being a public interest matter. Consequently, the consolidated appeal is determined as follows. The appeal is allowed on issue number 1. The appeal is allowed on issue number 4. The appeal is allowed on issue number 5. The appeal is allowed on issue number 6. Appeal is allowed on issue number 7. The appeal is disallowed on issue number 2. The appeal is disallowed on issue number 3. Those are the orders of the court. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your patience. We will seek your indulgence to perfect the final judgment. As you can see, we have so many pages